Vinland Saga is so good. It is so good. I only have volume 1 of Vinland Saga.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I've been reading Journals every month when it drop. Was that the game? There's just somebody knocking on the door. I have 4 volumes of Solo Leveling. I've only ever read it on cover, but I've never read it like read it. You know what I'm saying? Like on my phone. All right. So I can't do anything with the settings for the graphic wise, so I apologize for that. It is just a demo. So let's do it. Okay. How's the audio? Why do I look like this? Hello? Instant goosebumps. Don't like it. Sounds good. Appreciate you, Alex. Appreciate you, Joe. Hello? Okay, that's locked. Oh, why am I on the ground? Hello? I know nothing about this game besides that it's just supposed to be fucking scary as shit. The fuck? Oh, what the? Oh, okay, we're on the train. I was like, what in the hell is that sound? Oh, oh Jesus. Fucking water bottles. H2O, I guess, right, Bobby Boucher? Holy shit. Oh, the back door opens. What is this? Oh, I turned the lights on. What's up, Abraham Lincoln? It looks like you're in the wrong booth. Or the right booth. That's fucked up. I apologize. I'm sorry. Didn't get me. Kind of, but fuck you, bum. Fuck you and your pigeon wing. Hello? Oh. The door is now open. Oh, hello? Oh, oh, no. No, 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 no. Why is there toothpaste on the chair? She wants the dark. She waits in the dark. She waits in the dark. She waits in the dark. Well, I'm in the light right now, so, oh, what in the fuck? Why are there footprints on the ceiling? Why is there footprints on the ceiling? Why is there, why? I don't know, and I don't want it, and I don't know, I don't want it. Yeah, just normal subway things. So they like stop like right here. Looks like a train I took in Jersey once. Oh my God. I would never be on a train again. She's a ceiling dweller. Yeah, she says that she likes this. Is that a... Oh, I got a knife. I got a knife. I got a knife. I got a knife. It might be a pocket knife. It might be a box cutter, but I got a knife. Yep. Oh, yeah. Shing. Okay. I don't know why I keep checking behind me, but I am. Why? Why is there a baby carriage? Why? Why is there a baby carriage? Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Oh! Hi! Hi! I'm sweating so bad right now. Pretty sure if I stand up, my chair's gonna go with me. Why is the door open? Oh, she turned the lights down low. Oh, yeah, she did. Why is the door open? Oh, what the hell was that? What the hell? I don't want it. I don't want it. Why? Why? Simply why? Oh my God, it's lifting. What the fuck? No, it's upside out cross. Cool. I appreciate you, Joe. I appreciate that 1,000 fucking biddies earlier too, man. Meant so much to me. Thank you again. I can't thank you enough. I hope you have a great day at work. Hello, Mom. I'm scared. I still have a box cutter. Oh. I hate how like casually just walking through the train too. All right, nothing behind us. Nothing behind us. Why am I turning around? Excuse you. Hello? There's a lady in there rocking on a chair. Rockabye fuck off? How about you rockabye the fuck off? I'm gonna walk the other way. I'm gonna walk back. Run back! Run back! Run back! Do I just like stand here and watch her? I don't think I should be doing this. All right, well, I'm just gonna go the other way because I don't know what the fuck you want from me, lady. You got me messed up and you think I'm gonna walk in that carriage with you. Oh, she waits in the dark. You want me to press the light? You want me to press the light? Really, game? Cool. That's sure, why not? That's chain. Those are a lot of chains. Oh! What was that? What was that? I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that either. There's a key. There's a key. There's a key. Oh! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Yeah, let's go on the. Yeah, let's go on the train with you, and you're gone. Okay. Why are we slapping? This is trippy. How do I get out? How do I get out? It is called Train 113. Oh, I got it. Okay, cool. I got it. Nice. All right. We survived. We survived. Don't worry about it. Nothing but a peanut. Nothing but a peanut. We were just alone on the train tracks. Cool beans. Nothing but a peanut, baby. I hated every second of it. I don't want it. I don't want it anymore. That's just the demo? I don't want to play that game. I don't want to play that game. I do not want to play that game. If that's just the demo, I don't want to play that game. I don't want to play that game. No. Absolutely not. No.